सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table.
Chairman sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior colleagues, Srimati Smriti Subin Irani ji, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar ji, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, Shri Kiran Rijiju ji, Shri Prahlad ji, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri ji, Shri Arjun Rang Meghwal ji, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 8, appearing at item number 1 in today's revised list of business. Further, I lay the papers mentioned against the name of Shri Anurag Singh Thakur ji at item number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 23rd of March 2021 passed 1. The National Bank for Financing, Infrastructure and Development Bill 2021 and 2. The Finance Bill 2021. The Speaker has certified that the Finance Bill 2021 is a money bill within the meaning of Article 110 of the Constitution. I lay a copy each of the said bills on the table.
Reports of the Committee on Subordinate Registration, Sri Pratap Singh Bajwa.
Sir, I raise to place the following reports in English and Hindi of the Committee of Subordinate Legislation, number 1, 245th report, and number 2, the 246th report. Sir.
Reports of the Committee on Public Undertakings, Sri Prasanna Acharya.
Of the following reports of the Committee on Public Undertaking. 1. English report of the Committee 17th Lok Sabha on National Thermal Power Corporation, and 2. 9th report of the Committee 17th Lok Sabha on para number 3.2 of report number 13 of 2019 compliance audit regarding loss due to imprudent underwriting and lack of proper risk assessment related to New India Assurance Company Limited. Thank you, sir.
Statement by Minister Sri Hardeep Singh Puri.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a statement on the status of implementation of the recommendations, observations contained in the 150th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on export of organic products, challenges and opportunities.
Honourable members, I have to inform that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held today has allotted time for government legislative business follows. Consideration and passing of the following bills as passed by Lok Sabha. The Marine Aids to Navigation Bill 2021, 1 hour. The National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development Bill 2021. Honourable members, yesterday evening there is a meeting in the chambers of the Deputy Chairman where it was discussed and then agreed upon that we will not have the usual 0 hour and question hour, and then the session will start at 10 o'clock and the discussion will be taken up on finance bill first. After the finance bill, the agenda is finance bill, then the NCT Delhi bill, and then these bills. That is the time allocation that has been made. So keeping that in mind, I request all the members, first we will be taking up a finance bill. Honorable Finance Minister will just, I have to inform that a supplementary list of business has been already issued today regarding consideration and return of the Finance Bill 2021 and consideration and passing of the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure Development Bill 2021. The supplementary list has been uploaded on the Rajya Sabha website and also the members portal. Then what is Manojji?
एक जघन्य अपराध हुआ है सर, एक सदन में लोकतंत्र तार-तार किया गया, महिला विधायकों तक के साथ व्यवहार हुआ।
I have gone through your notice and it's a matter concerning the state. So
सर ये
I cannot take it up.
लोकतंत्र के मिजाज का सवाल है सर।
That is,
सर महिला विधायकों के साथ ऐसा हुआ।
You can take up the issue in the state itself. Please, no comment while sitting. If you have something, you can say, how you are saying outside.
माननीय श्रीमान, बस आग्रह करूंगा कि इसको आपके संज्ञान में लाते हुए एक संदेश जाए कि ये कहीं से भी उचित नहीं है।
No,
सर,
this is not admitted. Please, Manoj ji, wait, Jai, please. For a senior man. No. That's not the practice. Prem ji, wait, Jai, please. If I permit him, then he will be allowed to speak. Even there will be then again counter speeches. Then there is no end. See, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, to move. Halwa.
इम्पॉर्टेंट मैटर उन्होंने उठाया है क्योंकि आपको डिस्क्रिशन है और जब किसी स्टेट में अन्याय होता है तो उसके बारे में हम चर्चा कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो विषय के ऊपर डिपेंड है तो इसीलिए 1-2 मिनट उनको कहने के लिए
Garge ji, see, I'll just, no, please. Then next time let us have a meeting of all the parties, not in the Business Advisory Committee, General Purpose Committee, and you all people come to a conclusion that the Rajya Sabha can take up issues of the state. The other day, some people wanted to take up Maharashtra issue. I did not permit them. And now today somebody want to raise the Bihar issue, and tomorrow somebody else want to raise some other state issue. If we can discuss and have a common approach and common policy. If it suits me, if it suits me, I will raise this issue. Otherwise, I will oppose. That I can't do that. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman to move a motion for consideration of Finance Bill 2021. Please. You have got every right, definitely, please. That is the dignified way of doing things. Raising an issue, protesting, and then... Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji.
Sir,
please.